How did you guys started with the Captain EMZ? I thought it's more of a catalog stuff that you guys started with, or how did you guys start?
Captain EMZ or its positioning on catalog, it's not something we had started from the very beginning. It's something which just we figured out over the time. When we were doing Amazon, we figured out that catalog is something which is being, not being catered at that level. So we started positioning ourselves as catalog experts. It's not something generic uploads or edits. When I say catalog, it's about very complex kind of issues. This is where Captain EMZ position themselves. Recently, we have done a UPC replacement, solved a case as well. Not a case, but that was a demand or a requirement from the client. See that if it is possible, because this is something which is like 99% is not doable, but 1% chances are there. So we took on that challenge for that UPC replacement, which was existing on the listing or on the product which was already selling, and we have to change that UPC with something the client has bought just now, with proper analysis and documentation, with all the back and forth with Amazon. So we had the success with one of that thing, which is UPC replacement. Then there are a lot of GS1 conflict issues. There is a lot of category node issues, and there is a lot of listing suppression, or when there is a big catalog, the 200 or 300 listings. These are some of the issues, I guess, and back-end contribution conflicts. Along with catalog, we do PPC, we do creatives as well.